Wow. Maybe she's looking at us. Team girl, team girl.
Yo, she do nails too.
Wow, check this out. Look at her. The best cop in the world, right here. Thank you, Auntie. Wow, that's. This is from TV. Thank you, TV. What you got, baby?
Locked in, but I still go and make the blocks spin. You know, you number one, I top 10, you know. And I know you thinking that I'm not shit, you know. Man, way too clocked in, pretty girls love me, so niggas got options.
Hey y'all, it's Cherry and I'm back with another video. If you guys are new, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe and join the mob. If you guys haven't already, turn those post notifications on so you guys never miss out on an upload from me. Guys, we're starting off with Chloe's birthday vlog. Super excited. My daughter will be 1 year old in 3 days. I'm about to start this vlog off off, bring y'all along with me on the preparation. I already showed you guys a bunch of the preparation already that you guys may have seen, but there's more to go and more to do. So her birthday is on Saturday at 3 o'clock. So there's a lot of prep we gotta get done before then. And I'm not ready. I'm not ready for her to turn 1 at all. Super emotional, and I haven't accepted the fact that I'm about to have a 1-year-old daughter. Come along with me through this journey, y'all, and see how we celebrate and how Chloe feels about everything, and then spend time with us, celebrate with us. Super excited, guys. It's gonna be a huge vlog. We're currently getting ready to go to Sam's so I can go ahead and start getting some of the food for the party. I have to get burgers, hot dogs from Sam's, and I have to put my cupcake order in. That's pretty much it. Then I have to go to the mall and then the regular grocery store. So y'all, so this is all the party stuff that I didn't show you. The boxes, the Mickey and Minnie Mouse ears, gold and pink, and then black. And then we got my handmade centerpieces that are done. And then we have all the popcorn that I packaged like this, and these decorations. We got the, sorry for the noise in the background, but we got the bow silverware. Hey y'all, it's currently like 11 o'clock at night. We're in the backyard the night before the party, and we're setting up the tent and just like the outdoor stuff. Oh, I'm out of breath. But we still have to get tables and the bounce house and all that set up tomorrow, but the tent is currently getting set up now. And yeah, I'm gonna set up the lanterns and stuff tonight, so y'all gonna watch me do that. And I know y'all are just seeing us prep for the party. It's Chloe's birthday. We're not taking it slightly. It's about to be lit.
Mama party girl, she just wanna have fun too. They say you ain't wifey type, but I don't care, I want you. She like to do drugs too, she in love with guns too. They say you too piped up, but I think that I love you. But mama party girl, she just wanna have fun too. They say you ain't wifey type, but I don't care, I want you. She like to do drugs too, she in love with guns too. They say you too piped up, but I think that I love you. She don't want nobody, she don't need somebody. I'm tryna be with you so you don't be without me. She talking just like me, no, we can't leave without it. She put up off the meds like she can't breathe without it. She drinking for locals, I can't get with them.
Good morning, guys. It's party day. I look absolutely ridiculous. But it's Chloe's birthday, so I'm not stressing it. I'm getting ready to show y'all the setup outside so far. It is currently August 13th. Chloe's birthday is tomorrow. It's bittersweet, but my baby's 1. I'm happy that she's blessed with life and she's here. How do you feel? Your birthday's in a birthday party in a few hours. I'm about to go show y'all. Chloe hasn't seen anything yet. I went upstairs and forgot to grab some. I'll be right back.
Get that boy some guns, boy.
Curl up snug in your water bed. Now, tell me that ain't been superb.
Let's start. Where are you going to join in? Let's start. We're going. We got you. Don't let it get in. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chloe. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Look, she figured it out. She done figured it out now. Yeah. It's good? Huh? Do we? Who's that? There you go. Good job. What's okay?
Didn't even know was there. You don't even have to ask twice. You can have my heart or we can share it like the last slice. Always felt like you were so accustomed to the fast life. Have a nigga thinking that he met you in a past life. Sweatpants, hair tied, chilling with no makeup on.
The birthday cake. Here's the birthday cake, you guys. It looks so pretty. And here's the birthday girl. She's so adorable. So adorable.
She got the kid? Yeah. She got an Adrian.
The birthday girl is eating her birthday cake, and this is what she did lately.
Hold up. Mom, yep. Stand on the right side.
Chloe. Chloe.
Happy birthday, Chloe!
Happy birthday, Chloe. Watch out.
Easter egg hunt now?
Won't stop, never stop. Got so many
The chairs, and when the music stops,
You gotta sit
you gotta
down.
go sit and get a chair. Okay?
If you don't get a chair when the music
So you gotta
stops,
walk
you out. No, you get out the chair. Get out the chair.
Why you tell me to do that?
Y'all better get a chair. You better get a chair. Get a chair.
So high up through the clouds, I was swimming. I'm probably gonna drown when I'm in it. I bet she gon' get loud when I'm
Look at me. Y'all doing too much dancing. I got you.
I've been sticking to that deal. Every day about a woman toasted and nowhere. Make sure I smile in public when alone, my eyes tear. I fought through it alone, but that shit hurt me so bad. Again, I'm insecure. Taking different views, but I'm going in. Copy BMW.
Yo, Brooke.
I heard planes flying, crowds screaming, money counting shit. Shit, I guess that's how it sounds. I ain't joking, do it sound like I'm kidding. I've been making like 2,000 a minute. So high up through the clouds, I was swimming. I'm probably gonna drown when I'm in it. I bet she gon' get loud when I'm in it. And we might have a child. I rebirth, never put out a
Y'all, today is Chloe's birthday. Chloe, how do you feel? Chloe, look. Look.
She's just not getting.
Go open your gifts, Chloe.
Here you go, Chloe.
Chloe. They match your shirt. Here, let me open them. Look. You have a card. Let's see who this is from. Oh, you got $1. Look, Chloe, they got you a headband. Alright, next gift. You wanna rip some wrapping? What's next? What is this, Chloe? Oh, that's cute, Chloe. Got a necklace. You got a necklace, Chloe. Or is this a bracelet? Is this a bracelet or an anklet? It's cute.
Ooh, that is
Chloe, a pretty dress. Oh, look, Chloe. Look. Oh, look at that, Cocomelon. Look, Chloe.
She ain't paying no attention. Look, Chloe.
It's some towels. She's like, cool. Oh, you got more. Chloe. Reading Good Vibes. Oh, this is really cute. Yeah, you want one of these today. Aww.
Got it all on film. It's cute.
Amazon tattoo.
Here. Grab it. Pull it. What is this? A bear seat. Oh, I thought this is a pot.
Ooh.
Did you say your favorite color is yellow?
Yeah.
Oh. It's Chloe's birthday. She's officially won. I'm super emotional. But we're getting ready to go out to eat, guys. We're going to Crab du Jour. We're going to go there and get some seafood. Hold on, do you want to say hey to the vlog?
Hey.
Tell them your ad. Tell them subscribe.
Well, my YouTube channel is Life of Lando. Instagram, ITZ Lando with 2 O's, period.
Alright,
Where are we going to eat?
Crab du Jour.
Crab du Jour, period.
Yes, but it has some seafood. Y'all, what did you get, Omar?
A pound of snow crab.
What about you?
I got a pound of, I got the combo egg.
Not you, your babe.
No.
Y'all wearing gloves?
Locked in, but I still go and make the blocks spin, you know. Treat you like you number one out top 10, you know.